Hello guys, in this video I will show you everything you need to know if you want to create your own form using Contact Form 7. We will create a custom form from scratch using different types of inputs, and in the next videos I will show you how to create custom validation and error messages for those fields. Then I will show you how to customize the email that you will receive when somebody completes the form. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we will have to go to the dashboard, pages, and create a new page for our form. Let's name it tutorial and publish. Okay, now we will have to activate the plugin Contact Form 7. As you can see, it has over 4 million active installations. Now we can go to the contact form page, and let's use the default one. We'll remove everything from here. Now we'll create the form from scratch. Okay, this structure will be used for every field we will use in the form, so let's copy and paste this structure a few times. First of all, we will have to add first name and last name, or just first name. Okay, first name. And the last one will be for some checkboxes. Okay, and the last item will be the submit button. Send. Okay. Now we have the form. As you can see, we have a text field, then an email, phone field, one field for our file, and checkboxes. And the last one, of course, it will be the submit button. Let's copy this shortcode. Then we will have to open the pages in a new tab. Go to the tutorial page we created earlier and insert the shortcode. Update, and let's see the page. Okay, the form is created. Let's complete it. Oh, we forgot the label here. Let's add it here. Email and save. Good. .com. Let's choose a file and send. The file is too big. Okay, let's choose another one. This one. Send. Good. The message has been sent. Now we'll have to go back to the contact form settings, and let's add the address where the email should go. Let's add here penguinarts.com. Save. This is an error because this field, your email, doesn't exist. So in order to solve this issue, we'll have to replace your email field with this one, and the error should disappear. Okay, save. Okay, now we'll have to complete again the form, and let's see the email we receive. Green, and let's choose a file and send. The email has been sent, and let's see how it looks. Okay, this is the email. Let's customize it and add all the fields we have in the form. Go back to the contact form settings, and on the mail tab, here we will change the site title from tutorials page, subject tutorials page contact form. This field will remain the same. Here we remove everything, and we will add first name, last name, email, phone, and color. Then we will add the fields here. Email, phone, and the color. Okay, the file will have to go here, and that's it. Let's save it and go back to the page. Okay, choose a file, this one, green, send. Okay, let's see it. Come on. Okay, so it looks good. First, all the fields are here, the attachment is here. We have everything from the form. Okay guys, the last settings I want to show you in this video are the settings from messages tab, where you can change the error message or the success message, where all these type of errors, you can customize everything from here. And in the next videos we will see how we can create extra validations and add some extra error messages for all of these fields, and everything will be made using PHP code. So see you in the next video guys. Have a nice day.